So I have my little Mexican paisa right here. I'm just playing. So we're here building car stands. We're gonna build them about 3 feet tall. We're gonna stack them. I almost cut my finger off. Pretty close to the bone, man. And then insurance company, I'll be filing through him. So
good luck, cause all you can get is a shitty silver Mustang.
wait, you mean a white Mustang? Oh my bad. Look at that white Mustang. Yeah, there you go. Shit, the silver one's beautiful. All right, guys. Just want to give you guys an update of what we're doing.
Oh, the shittiest update I've ever seen.
Look how slow he cuts his wood. Look at this. It's fucking like a fucking special education motherfucker right here, dog.
Yeah, but look at my fingers.
5 minutes later.
Oh yeah, that's money right there.
Wow. Took a while. So yeah, that's what we're doing.
Look.
So as we're out here cutting, the intake manifold just arrived. Yeah. So it got here 2 days early.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
2 days early.
Check it out. Woo!
Let's do
More presents.
Let's do a quick unboxing for y'all.
Whoever sent this, you guys are badass. You guys are on your game.
Thanks for the
Intake manifold.
We got sponsored by eBay.
Oh, I finished it pretty quick. It really, really good. It runs nice and shit. Yeah. That's the bracket for the fucking alternator. Yeah, there we go. It's definitely a non-PI. Look at it. See, it's round. Yeah. But, yeah.
See, they just said put the gaskets in like that.
And slap it on the top.
Yeah.
You're not going to buy the spacers?
No.
You're going to do it like that?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Because you could risk that water, but alright. Yeah. So, this is definitely what's going to go on maybe today. Maybe not even the transmission's coming out because he could drive it now until it breaks.
Oh, see, we're still pulling the training out.
Alright, guys. That was an update on that. It's going in this piece of shit.
This thing broke off.
Yeah, a little back well.
100. Alright guys, so we're taking a quick break. We're almost done. We still got all that wood left. Cutting wood right now. This is what they look like. We had to go to Burger King because we're really hungry.
Taking the table right now, guys. Bam.
Makeshift table. So, yeah. We'll be done in a minute. Then we start fucking pulling out the tranny. What's up, guys? It's a new day. First things first, I gotta get a haircut, and then after that, I'll explain everything we're gonna do today. Alright, what's up, guys? Got back, looking fresh. Trimmed the goatee, looking good. So today, we're gonna be putting in... Oh shit, done kicked the soda. Oh, it's a good soda. Gotta chug it, guys. Oh no. Oh yeah. Ooh, that burned. Alright. So, get the box out. That's what we're gonna be doing today. So it came in 2 days early, but I didn't get to do it because of the transmission. Still trying to take that thing off. David's coming. He's gonna help me. I'm looking into buying another one from some guy. If he don't message me back by 2, we gotta go to a pick and pull it. But I ordered it from eBay, and I probably shouldn't have, because I don't know if you can see, that looks like crap, and it came damaged. put it somewhere we can see. Let's put it over here. So, where is it? There's a crack somewhere on the edge. Unless I was tripping balls that day. I think it's this edge. Yeah, there it is. Alright, can y'all see that crack? And David says it has nothing to do with the airflow, because it didn't chip the, it didn't hit the physical air thing, whatever it's called. It just hit the bracket. So yeah, we're gonna get this upgraded. So this is what broke on the other one. Started pouring water all into my last cylinder, my last spark plug. I'm debating whether I should leave these gaskets on or buy the kit AutoZone sells for the gaskets. But that's what we're gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna set y'all up, show a time lapse of the video, and hope y'all enjoy. Alright guys, so I've never taken this manifold off. I did one time with David, but I don't remember how I did it. So first we gotta disconnect the mass airflow. Right here. I'm just gonna take off the whole tubing. It's way easier. I don't know if y'all have good lighting. I should. There we go. Take this off. Pull this off. Pull this hose off. She don't look good. Got that. Thermostat, it's 2 bolts. You can't really see that, man. Lighting sucks. There's one right there where my finger's at, right here. And there's another one right there. Oh, there you go. Now you can see both. So I'm gonna take that off. Bend this hose back. There's no water in there. Cheap ass fucking drill. Damn.
So what if I'm driving home from work one night and someone's not paying attention on the road because they're too busy on IG Live and they hit me from behind? You're in the back with a 5-grand shot. If you've been involved in a car accident, no matter
guys, I'm going to go pick up David. He just got out of work. Oh, look at that M3. That's clean.
Crazy out there, man. If you've been involved in an accident, don't forget,
Yeah.
hurt or wreck, fight for your check.
Alright, so now we're going to pull the intake.
Grease gun.
I just saw it.
Losing shit, dog.
That was
This is
you.
Beast Mode Slop Garage,
Look,
bro.
it's right there. That was you. I never touched it.
I don't know how that.
So now we're going to pull the intake manifold and replace it with the shitty one I showed you earlier.
So we gotta pull off a lot of the components on the top piece, and then we'll have the intake manifold out. We gotta pull the alternator,
Throttle body,
team belt,
injectors, fuel rail.
yeah, all that, and then
We don't fuck with the wires,
all
right?
this, we'll just move out of the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then,
Yeah.
alright.
But she does need a little bit of a cleaning. It's not too bad.
Not as bad as some Mustangs I've seen, but it'll be alright.
Nah, she's dirty just like her. She has some too.
Alright, I'll let y'all know when we get some more headway in. Alright, right now, David's cleaning the valley of the motor and the ports for the intake.
Clean
So,
the intake ports.
This
right
is the
here.
side he cleaned, and that's the side uncleaned. That looks bad. Yeah. Looks clean.
So as you guys can see, we already cleaned a portion of the other one, which is really fucking clean. And we're just gonna continue moving on. We most likely going to. I'm gonna make a project right here to clean this piece right here, the ports themselves. I cleaned half the beginning of these ports right here.
Brake clean's making it come off.
No, yeah, it's breaking it off because like over here, it's already almost done.
Oh yeah, it is.
So I'm cleaned up all those
I
ports
don't know
right
if y'all
there.
can see it. Look how grimy that is. Look how clean that is.
Oh, hold on. Yeah. It's just over time buildup. If
All
we
that
had a
carbon.
Fire brush, it would be a lot better.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna continue doing what we're doing up here.
That's what I was most worried about. The edges. They said to make sure those edges are clean. And they look clean. Make sure you get where that back bolt is.
There.
See that back bolt? Good enough. And I just poured it and polished.
If we had a little thing to go inside, we could have pointed it.
Yeah.
Easy, dog. A little attachment, a little brush. You're supposed to do a little thing, and it ports it, and then cleans it up and polishes it. Thousands of a grit, and it's fucking clean. Look, this side's clean. Like, it got a lot cleaner, but I think we're breaking the surface. You can see it right here.
Oh yeah, you can see the metal now.
All mine are like that, like deep down. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Cause like I got all your inside. Look right here.
Yeah.
Where the buildup wasn't as heavy. I killed all of it.
You need this light?